and tip our hats and raise our glasses of cold beer. They say country's fading, but we're still waving that flag around here.
So, hey guys, so that was my boat, and so I don't know if you saw that motor or whatnot, but it's a new motor than the last one we had on there. The old motor was actually shot, so that was a evinrude 70 horsepower, and it still pushes it pretty good. I think we probably were going about 40. I don't know when we were running wide open. I'm not sure if I was running wide open right there or not, but it's not bad at all. And we pretty much redid the whole inside the boat, and these pictures you're looking at now is just some pictures I took and my dad took. But yeah, so, and the only thing we did wrong was that we kind of flooded the engine, maybe like once. So we'll get better at not doing that. And yeah, so I pretty much had a fun day, and we just got out on the water for about an hour. We didn't even fish any. We were just testing the boat out because that was the first time we had it in the water. So hopefully I'll be getting y'all some videos from the river. And so guys, please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you later. And I'm probably gonna go fishing tomorrow, but don't expect a video because I probably won't catch anything. So see you guys, bye.